Shalom everybody, welcome back to the channel. You're with us here in Nahal Tze'elim. We have 3 guns and a medic. We have M16, we have Smith and
Wesson,
and yes, Hellcat Pro. It's a short hike, 4 kilometers to get us to Ein Namer. Check up above, we have had a vlog here before, but today's aim is to really get in a little bit of sun in the ceasefire, but we're safe.
and have a blast.
Have a blast with us. See you at the spring. Look how smooth this is. Matan, what caused this? Water. What's it like? The best pool ever in Nahal Tze'elim. Check this out. We'll zoom out for you. This is the outside, and that's the inside. Alrighty, finally we've reached the section of Nahal Tze'elim where you can break out into a run. Let's do it, boys. The road ahead. Woo! Stop. What is this? This is what you call paradise with a little bit of adventure. Nahal Tze'elim could be one of my new favorites. Come on, chaps, what do we say? Tuv, are we doing it? Okay, making headway. Now's my turn. Do I really have to do this? Right, 5.82 k's in. It just gets more and more beautiful. But this is the time of the year to do it. We're here a week after Pesach, and this water is so refreshing. I think today is 28 degrees, bright blue skies. But let me tell you, this land is full of surprises. I definitely did not expect this morning. Sylvia kept on bugging me that we're not finding the right pool to swim in. I just want to see his face as he sees this.
Not bad. Potential.
It's got potential. OMG. Eretz Israel. Mayim Chaim. There ain't no land like the land of Israel. We happen to be here just a few days before Yom HaShoah. We're going to be remembering 6 million who never had the blessing to be doing what we're doing. So every step here is a holy step with holy Israelis. And remember, we started off this vlog saying we're here with 3 of our friends with M16, Smith & Wesson, Hellcat Pro. So we are Jewish defenders in the land of Israel. Modern times require modern strength. Up they go. That's it, Sammy. He's got it.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Oh, it's a boy. The mountain just gave birth to Sammy. We're through. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we've reached our destination. This is the chilling zone outside Ein Namer. Lots of beautiful boulders, and we'll hit the water soon. Here it is. Wow. Lekker. There's a great vibe. Beautiful. This is the land I love so deeply. Let's hope it's deep enough to swim. Sweet sounds of the desert. Mamische Gewalt. What do you say, chaps? Was it worth the effort? Nah, not so nice, yeah. Really ain't so pretty. Marathon
I'll just say it in Hebrew. You know it's Ein with Aleph.
Ein Namer, Ein Namer, Eze Yofi. He's basically saying there's no leopards here. One day there was, no more.
Shalom. I'm standing here on Erev Yom HaShoah in the Judean Desert, Midbar Yehuda. Right behind me you can see the northern end of Masada. That was the last stronghold of an independent Judea for almost 2,000 years. Standing here on Erev Yom HaShoah as the grandson of Holocaust survivors wearing my IDF uniform is incredibly meaningful for me. Just a generation ago, 1 out of 3 of the Jews in the world were murdered because there was nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. Unfortunately for them, the State of Israel came around in 1948 and not 1938, and that made all the difference. But now, in my lifetime, the hope of 2,000 years, Hatikva Shnot Alpayim, Liot Am Chofshi B'Artzeinu, to be a free people in our land, has become a reality, because we no longer have to rely on the pity of our host nations. Instead, we are in charge of our own destiny. And to be standing here on Erev Yom HaShoah, wearing the madim, wearing the uniform of the Chayalei Tzva Gnal Yisrael, the Israeli Defense Forces, makes us realize that once again our future is in our own hands. Am Yisrael Chai.